Hello, this is Melissa Larsen with Luxury Imports of Bowling Green. Take a look at this 2021 GLA 250. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a call, 270-745-0001.